It's been a long, long time. Get this message for you, girl. But it seems
Look at the lusciousness in the Fern Gully. Keep going. Okay. Now, would anybody please explain to me Bob Marley, because I don't know his name till I came to Jamaica, but you guys all know him.
Bob Marley is the biggest reggae star.
Yeah.
Icon. Yeah, he's an icon of the Jamaica.
Okay.
Oh wait, it's not loaded. It doesn't have a fire on a catapult! Hey Grandpa!
What?
There's another one of my caddies. There's another one of
Noah. This is how they defend themselves over 400 years ago, Julian.
No, that's it. Get here. Aber hier.
Yeah, you.
Yeah, you probably like people.
He cleans the fish like this. Look at this, here.
What's your name?
Hi, Joshua.
Take one picture.
You're the little one. Come here. Come here, Jamaica. Do like this.
Taking picture.
Here are the shrimps. Oh, look at all those shrimps. Oh, wow, what a lobster. You guys are supposed to wave at me. Come on. There we go. Are you looking for lice? Granddad, he won't bite you.
It won't bite you, no.
For that, I'm gonna give you a tip too. Because that's actually very nice of you guys. Don't, you guys don't touch them. No, because they might get scared.
Get a picture, darling. No, we can't share.
You have to be seated down in the truck. It's like the one in the red shirt.
Yeah.
He could get a ticket.